Why Does It Rain? By Alison Niblo, Janet DeSaulles, illustrated by Tony Wells, and designed by Kate Buxton, with permission from Access Copyright on behalf of Zigzag Publishing. Sometimes it rains. Water comes down out of the sky and soaks the ground. The rain makes everything wet. Rain gives us water. People need water to keep them alive. Animals also need water. Trees and plants soak up rainwater through their roots. You can try this as an experiment if you like to. You take a piece of celery and you put it in a glass of colored water. You can use some water and food coloring if you like. And you can see how the water rises up through the celery as it soaks up the water. That's how plants absorb water through their roots. In some parts of the world, very little rain falls. You see the cactuses? This is like a desert. These places are called deserts. Only a few special plants and animals can live there, as there's hardly any water. Cactuses don't need a lot of water. You can try another experiment if you like. If you have some seeds at home in a little bowl of dirt from outside, put them in some cups, and you put some seeds in one and some seeds in the other, and you water one, but don't water the other one. See which one grows better. I think you know which one will grow better. Do you think the one with the water or the one without the water will grow better? You can tell me next time we talk. When there's too much rain, rivers can overflow. Water pours onto the land in a flood. Where does all this rain come from? We live on a planet called Earth, and the Earth has more sea than land, more water than land. When the sun shines on the sea, some of the water comes warm, and the warmed up water turns into an invisible gas or vapor, and it goes up into the sky. It's evaporation, it's called. So the water becomes vapor and it floats up into the sky. The water vapor rises higher and higher in the sky to where the air is cold. And when the vapor gets cold, it turns back into little drops of water. And these make clouds. The water drops start to join up. They get bigger and bigger, and the clouds get heavier and heavier. You can look for different types of clouds in the sky. Different days, there's different types of clouds. The cirrus clouds are wispy, high up in the air. They usually mean rain or snow is on the way. The cumulus clouds, which are the big, fluffy, piled up clouds, they can mean that there's showers coming. And the stratus clouds, a thick blanket of clouds, that usually means that it's raining. Now the clouds are very big and dark. They're full of water drops, and some of the drops are so big and heavy that they start to fall. That brings us our rainy days, where we need our umbrellas and our rubber boots and our raincoats so we don't get all wet. Rain runs down the street. And in the city, it flows along the gutter by the side of the road and pours down through holes called drains. Under the ground, it runs into big pipes, and these carry the rainwater into the rivers. See, walking along with the rubber boots. And the water's running down the street and it goes into the drainage holes, down into the pipes. In the countryside, rain falls on the mountain and hills. It flows into streams and rivers and along to the sea. Now the rain is back in the sea, back in the ocean again. And when the sun warms the seawater, more water vapor will rise into the sky just like it did before, and it will make a new cloud. And somewhere it'll soon start to rain. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you've learned a little bit about why it rains. Have a great day. Bye-bye.